Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to Nihar PCM classes. Let us discuss the first question of sets, relations and functions for JEE. The question goes like this. Let R be the real line. Consider the following subsets of the plane R Cartesian product R cross R. Set A, set of order pairs xy such that y is equal to x plus 1 and x is greater than 0 and less than 2. Set B is a set of order pairs xy such that x minus y is an integer. The question is, which one of the following is true? So any one out of these four choices is true. Okay, so let's solve it. Yes. First let's observe A. A contains all order pairs xy such that second element is 1 more than first element because y is equal to x plus 1 and x is greater than 0 and less than 2. So in place of x, let's take an element, suppose 1. So if x is equal to 1, what about y? Y is equal to x plus 1, that is 1 plus 1, that is 2. So 1, 2 belongs to set A. Now let's see whether 2, 1 belongs to A or not. 2, 1. Does it belong to A? No. Because for 2, 1 to belong to A, the condition is second element must be 1 more than the first element. Second element is 1, first element is 2. This is not 1 more than 2. So clearly this doesn't belong to A. 1, 2 belongs to A and 2, 1 doesn't belong to A. So what does this mean? From this we can say that your A is not symmetric. For A to be equivalence relation, it must be reflexive, symmetric and transitive. Because A is not symmetric, it can never be equivalence relation. So A is not equivalence relation. Okay. Therefore A is not equivalence relation. Now after A, let's consider B. What is B? B contains order pairs xy such that x minus y is an integer. So let us discuss it. First, let's see whether B is reflexive or not. Okay, you see, x is an integer. In place of y, let us take x. You know x minus x is equal to 0. Okay, and 0 is an integer. 0 is an integer. So, xx belongs to B. So B is reflexive. Okay, so B is reflexive. Therefore B is reflexive. Now let's test for your symmetricity of B. Okay. Suppose xy belongs to B. What does it mean? X minus y is an integer. So this implies x minus y is an integer. Okay. If x minus y is an integer, you know y minus x is also an integer. Okay. Is also an integer. And if y minus x is integer, y comma x belongs to B. So if xy belongs to B, then we get yx also belongs to B. What does it mean? B is symmetric. Okay. Now let us discuss transitivity of B. Suppose xy belongs to B and yz belongs to B. Okay, This means x minus y is an integer. X minus y is an integer. Okay. Similarly, y minus z is also an integer. Let us add these two. Integer plus integer, integer. So x minus y plus y minus z is also an integer. Y cancels out. So x minus z is an integer. This means, according to this definition, xz belongs to B. So xy belongs to B and yz belongs to B, imply xz belongs to B. So what does this mean? Therefore, B is transitive. So B is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. So B is an equivalence relation. So A is not equivalence relation, B is equivalence relation. So let's see which choice is correct. First choice is correct. Okay.